In front of me is BlackChalk Gaming Tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll to click on the Notifications over here. Then choose App Notifications. Hit Most Recent over here on the left and sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps, or apps with notifications already blocked. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on one of those filters to apply it, and then use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip: if you wanna, you can always click on any app on the left, and this way not only switch off or turn on notifications here, but also check out and manage all of those other notification options of chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!